Video is going to show you an easier way to install the 66-inch glass panels for the Peak aluminum railing system. The video that they show you on their website, on the Peak website, makes it look really easy. It's been excruciating. It's not that easy, but we found a better way, and we're going to show you how to do it. Here you go.
I'm sorry, wow.
Okay, here we go.
So this is an instructional video on the Peak aluminum railing, installing the 6-foot glass panels, which are generally pretty difficult with 2 people. So we just decided to do it like this.
Now we have to take the glass out.
Good for us.
Do you have the bottom or do I? I do. So
You have the bottom.
pick it up like a sheet.
Which side do you want the bottom on?
It has to be on the bottom left. So I'm going to swing around, right?
So the tempered glass label etching, yep, it's going to go on the bottom left.
We're going to line up our distances. Generally want to get about 3 1/8 on each side. Pop it right down in. You don't even need the soap.
Am I in?
She's sitting nice. Take your top rail. One corner at a time, right?
And then,
You on, baby?
yep.
I'm on. This post is going to stay unsecured.
I'm going to bring it closer and then pop down.
She's going to bring it in. Assembled. Lay that bottom rail right in.
And then our
Show some space.
I'm not in.
You in? Pick up your bag for me, baby. There you go. Top. Push your bottom in. Perfect. You got the weight?
Yep.
I got it with my foot.
I'm in.
Bottom, top.
And
There you go.
so much easier than lifting this 50-something pound piece of glass with 2 people.
Awesome. There you go. We'll be back.